Every bottle of heat begins here, rooted in fertile soil. Hands and experience guide the first crucial step.
Only mature peppers earn their place in the process.
Quality control starts long before the factory floor. Speed preserves freshness and natural heat. From field to transport, timing is everything. The harvest marks the start of transformation. Freshness now rides on the road ahead. The journey to heat and flavor has begun. Distance shortens as urgency grows. Even movement is managed to protect quality. Precision doesn't pause during transport. The peppers arrive where raw becomes refined. Controlled entry ensures controlled processes. Every kilogram is accounted for. The plant breathes, ready to receive.
Accuracy matters before the first pepper moves.
Now, the factory takes over.
This is where agriculture meets precision engineering. Every movement follows a controlled sequence. Fresh harvest meets the production line.
The process begins without delay.
Inside, consistency replaces uncertainty. Inside, consistency replaces uncertainty. Design guides every step forward. Traceability begins at the door. Flow replaces fragmentation. Preparation sets the standard for everything that follows. Cleanliness defines the foundation of flavor. Every surface is stripped down to purity. What doesn't belong is left behind. Moisture is managed, not ignored. Uniformity begins with movement.
Human judgment still matters.
Technology sharpens consistency. Only the best move forward. Now, the transformation can begin. Control begins the moment volume is released. Unwanted parts are removed without waste. Heat is tuned, not left to chance. Movement stays gentle to protect flavor. Preparation determines precision. Size and texture are engineered. Consistency is constantly checked. Pressure prepares the paste.
The raw pepper becomes the base of heat.
The base moves forward under controlled force. Balance is built drop by drop. Heat awakens depth and aroma. Uniformity is never accidental.
Flavor follows strict parameters.
The transformation is locked in. Rest stabilizes intensity. Now, precision takes over. Automation ensures repeatability at scale.
Every variable is watched in real time.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Quality is measured continuously. Cleanliness never interrupts production. Material arrives exactly when needed. Precision sets the stage. Accuracy begins at the point of contact. Every bottle receives the same intensity. Clean transitions prevent contamination. Sealing preserves the product. Consistency extends to the seal. Clean on the inside and out. Moisture is eliminated before branding. Identity is applied with precision. Traceability completes the finish. Every bottle is observed before it leaves the line. Samples tell the story of the batch.
Controlled conditions reveal hidden details.
Texture defines mouthfeel. Acidity levels are carefully calibrated.
Safety and hygiene cannot be compromised.
Consistency extends from flavor to appearance. Data confirms perfection before production continues. Only verified product moves forward. Flow continues seamlessly toward its final form. Automation ensures efficiency without compromise. Seals protect every ounce of quality. Organization prepares the product for transit. Storage maintains safety and accessibility. Order ensures quick dispatch when needed. From factory to final destination, logistics completes the journey.
And this is how modern factories produce hot chili sauce from start to finish.
From field to bottle, every detail matters.